Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you're watching a replay, you can like, follow, comment, subscribe, please. I cleared Celia. I lit the 3 fires for you so we can do a fog wall right now. We're rocking the Death Sorcery build. What we have here are a couple of Prince Death Staves 25 plus 25. We use these Health and Steeple swords, but I'm not using them right now. I have a Graven Mass Talisman, Graven School Talisman, Magic Scorpion Charm, and Godfrey Icon because we're going to be charging some stuff. In my physics, stance break, and magic attacks. Okay, we have to buff up. It's a buffing sequence here, folks, at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Thank you guys for being here. We are going to go to a little spell called Golden Vow. Flame grant me strength first. Does it matter? I think it does matter. We'll see. I got plenty of mana. One thing about me, plenty of mana. Should have drank first, guys. And then my spell is going to be Death Rancor. We're going to try and put the hurt. Oh, God, no. Kill him. Okay, one's dead. One's dead. All I got to do is not die. Just don't die. Oh, God. Here we go, guys. Guys, we're going to do Caelid with the Death Sorceries tonight. This guy's got a ball. 1, 2, and hit him with the ash. Oh, my God. I don't have the ash. There's the ash. Watch this. Bing! Oh, he dodged it. I'm not going to be able to hit him with the ash. Okay, guys. Well, maybe we're too high level for Caelid. I don't know. Hey, guys, one thing about me, I like an easy night. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool with the easy night. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Coming in, folks. Ooh, I gotta send my alert out, guys. I have alerts, live alert channel on Facebook. Bam, and so many people subscribe to that. In addition to getting a notification here on YouTube, if you click the little bell at the top, set live notifications, you get a guaranteed notification every single time I go live. Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Any interest in chess? We have chess streams here Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. We got a loose sets. Cool, I'll take it. We'll probably end up selling it. I was watching a video on preparing for the DLC, folks. Preparing for the DLC. And they were just talking about stuff like getting all your trinkets, getting any weapons you might need, and upgrade supplies, guys. That's something I hadn't considered yet. Justin Corshane checks watch. It's my favorite Elden Ring stream o'clock. Justin Corshane, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have just killed the bosses at Celia. It's not Celia Crystal Tunnel. That's a tunnel. This is Celia. What's it called? Celia Town of Sorcery, folks. I'm a sorcerer. Do I get anything from that? Should I be running and looking at the loot, guys? Yeah, buddy. Good to see you, Charlie. Drew, man. Oh, my God. Ooh, oh, that's a message. I know there's a lot of loot in here. And I assume I have it all. This is just a good way to die, guys. We're sporting 26,000 runes. 26,000. Like what? You guys, everyone knows this loot over here, right? What is it? Can I loot, please? Oh, an imbued sword key. Wow, did you guys know that was there? LOS. Horsey time. Drink it up a little bit and keep moving, folks. Now, isn't there something you do here that opens up some of the chests in the town? Oh my God, they all want me, guys. They all want me. I feel like I'm out at the bar, folks. Hold on. Aren't there like little doors around here that have opened up or something? Oh my God. That chick just tried to whack me, bro. She tried to have her way with me in a sword. Once again. Okay, so there's none over here, but there's one over here, right, guys? You guys remember the loot? You guys know the loot. Where's the freaking loot? Come on, it's over here? There's loot. There's a door. There's a freaking door. No? Am I a tripper, folks? Just say, Charlie, you're tripping. Dragon Blood Sword, we love you, Charlie. I love you too, Drew. What's up, man? Guys, my reel dropped today. My YouTube short that we filmed the other day with the cool combo Drew showed me. to get off the ancient death rank course first, and then when they start spamming on a fool, you bust. Can I do it from here? You can't. You bust the ash on this weapon, man. The Death's is it Death's Right Poker or something? Equipment Dorio. Death's Ritual Spear, folks. I've never. Yeah, I was gonna say I've never done it this way before. Well, maybe that's why. I usually run back and jump up on the branch, man. Oh god. Oh god. I should get points for that. I get no points. Yeah. He's using my spear. Yellow Dart. What's up, Yellow Dart? Welcome to the stream. Am I using your spear? Is this your spear? Are you cool with this? Are you cool with this? That's my question. Because I'll take it off right now. I ain't trying to bite your style, bro. You know what I'm saying? I want if I could get your blessing, I'll take it. You know what I mean? Yeah. EMR. Embrace it. Welcome to the family. Love it. Dude, I've never used it before, never seen it before, but we made this. Now, do I have to talk to her pops first?
Well, my flesh, it is a curse.
Do I have to talk to her pops first? Do we even want to do this quest?
Flesh.
Your flesh rots with the poopies, lady. This is Millicent, right? Wait. Is this Millicent, guys? Dude, these things are very rare. Sacramental buds. Tell me they weren't freaking, saying something, right? The Sacramental bud, folks. You got to pick them when you can. We got this grace, right? What if we port back to... I just made you say Celia understare. Chair crypt? I'm not sure where I am. Well, I know I'm a Caelid. Because I'd have to fight you if you're also... Wait, oh, wait, do you have the Firebird? I don't have the... Well, the Firebird Poker. Talk to me about the Firebird Poker. Because I'd have to fight you if you ran that also. Is the Firebird Poker the Death Right Bird's weapon? Daniel Abbott. Yo, what's up? Sorry, bro. I played the wrong person earlier. We'll get this right. No, Daniel, it happens, man. Do you know, Daniel, I've been doing this for 3.5 years. And that's why... Oh, that's not the right grace. And I have... That's why I stopped matching people through text. I say, if you want to play me, send me a challenge when my game is over. Because then you end up sitting here. And that's not good. That's not good for the stream. It's not good for... I came to play chess. You know what I mean? Not sit around, right? But I'm like, no, dude, we'll set you up, bro. We'll set you up, man. You're supporting the stream, dude. I want to play you a game. This is all good. And then when I challenged you, and when it said, you can't play Daniel because one of you is in a game right now. And I'm like, he's playing someone else. I'm like, he probably accepted the wrong challenge. You know what I'm saying? That's what I thought. I knew it. I mean, I didn't know it, but I guessed it. So yeah, it's no problem, dude. Okay. We're doing Caelid tonight, folks. I guess that means Millicent, right? He is power stancing 2 Hellfin steeples instead of Death's Poker. Yeah, I've seen it. One other person use it ever. What? I have one. I have one on my chat picks. Chat picks. I cheesed the Deathrite bird right here in Caelid, man. Cheesed him right off the freaking edge. It was freaking hilarious. Where's the church? It's right here. It's freaking hot, guys. It's because I'm hyped. Pardon me, guys, if I'm hyped. I've been looking forward to playing this build all day. This is just okay. Now do I talk to her or? Oh yeah, that's all she's got to say. We got to go kill Commander Niall, huh? Does anyone know where he is? I just made you say Celia understare. I just remember going over here. There's like a strong enemy, and we're gonna put the poop on him right now. We're gonna put the poop on him because we can. Because I've come here before and had trouble with the guy. I like to come back. It's kind of like Step Brothers. when they fight the mean kid. And, like, the two grown-ups, they pretty much take on a whole schoolyard of children. It's not really a fair fight, right? Remember that? Yeah. Well, this is what I like to do. Like, I remember my first playthrough. Where is this fool? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's just one of these guys? We're probably going to be... Did I not drink? I don't think I drank, guys. Yeah, he didn't have much of a chance, folks. There we go. There we go. Did they, like, fly in a helicopter for that fight or something? It's freaking hilarious. I've seen one other person use it ever. Wow, he is powers. Okay, yeah. Guys, I mean, okay. The Rot Dragon, I have never done the Rot Dragon where I was just like, that was dumb. This person always blocks the door, right? I have never had them get out of my way that easy, I'll tell you that. Can we hit him with the, Oh! Whoa. Yeah, that's gonna hurt in later rounds. I'm not so sure I'm down. I'm not so sure I'm down with this. For some reason, I remember having a problem here, guys. Anytime I had a problem here, even if I was only 3 years old and it was my first Souls game ever, I want to go back. There we go. Anyone else? Any other sisters? I remember there's a piece of loot here. I wanted it so bad. Yeah, Black Keybolt, guys. I really needed that. For the playthrough, guys. For expansion. For DLC, we got the Black Keybolts, guys. I suggest you collect them yourself. Does anyone... Okay. I've come up here before. I felt like there was a strong enemy somewhere. Yeah, he seems pretty strong. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's killing me. I almost got hung up on a rock and died for sure. What do you do? I don't know how to fight this guy. He's better. He's better. No, don't say that. Oh my god, he came in for the swipe, guys. He came in for the swipe. There's not enough health pots in the game. Hit him one time. There we go. Well, I got killed. Okay. Do I have a Grace nearby? Get me away from this freaking fool. Yeah, man, that guy's rough, bro. 35,000 runes. Guys, I'm level 451. 35,000 runes is like a penny. It's not quite. It's like a dime. No, it's like probably closer to a penny than a dime to get a level. So now how do we get... We want to get down here into Caelid. I think I go this way, and I just think I ported to the Grace that I'm already next to. Should join the Elden Ring Tarnished posting. Someone posts about the Death Poker every 3 to 5 days. Now helping Steeple. Not many talk about that view. Nice, Drew. Yeah, it's the principle. He shouldn't put hands on... That's what I'm saying! Dude, thank you! Yellow Dart, I like the way you think, dude. We're running down, guys. We're gonna go down the tongue depressor. Some people might think they're tombstones. They might look more like tombstones, but they remind me of tongue depressors, guys, like the nurse would do. The nurse's office at school, guys. It tasted like wood because it was wood. It was very good. It was made of wood. Now, I don't do this on my horse. You know why? I'm not qualified. If I go near edge... Wait. I gotta cross through those folios again? Okay. I don't like this. I thought they were on this side, guys. Okay. We made it to the drop down scenario. We can drop down the huge tongue depressors. They actually make me very happy. They're not very depressing. They're right here, right? They were right there, but there's some right here too? What? Learn the game, man. Get good. What is my problem, guys? And they all lead to Rome, folks. Deathrite Bird is over here somewhere, but you got to do them at night. I'm pretty sure that's actually the group that inspired the toxic group I joined for fun. Dude, people are so funny, man. I mean, I'm in like Fender Telecaster. If you don't know what that is, it's an electric guitar. Fender Telecaster Facebook group. It's like everyone's 4 years old. It's hilarious. We don't have any rooms, guys. We don't have any rooms. You know what that means, right? This guy definitely does not have a poker, folks. He doesn't have a poker. We got to get him a poker. I think he has a better chance of surviving, too, because when we did this before, it was on a very low-level character. Past time until the night falls. I got a 75 Fender tube amp for the group yesterday, so sweet. 75 Fender, what kind of amp is it? Talk to me. I'm into Fender amps. If I ever get the money to start collecting something of value like that and have the space, Fender amps, I freaking love Fender amps. I have a deep, deep, deep love. He's coming. Can we LOS him? He just did the poopy trick that I know how to do. Oh my god. Come on, buddy. You got to get closer to the edge. Come closer to me. And he still hits me. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Dude, it's like they taught him. I want to go one more time. Come on. Come on. I want you closer to the edge. There you go. Now you're close to the edge. I just made you say get close to the edge. Oh, God, he wants me. Okay. You can't. Oh, my God. Well, oh, my God. Dude, wait a minute. I'm just going to come here and hide, guys, because I'm scared. See if we can see him. He's up there, guys. See him? I'm ducking my head. Get off the edge. Give me my free poker. Give me my free poker. You suck at this game. Oh, my God. They fixed him. There's no way! If he falls off, I'm going to be so mad. If he falls off, I'm going to... Look at him. Look at him. Did they fix it? He should have fell, man. Twin reverb. Okay. Yep. It was destroying the room. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's about $500 average. 6 tubes, 2 channels, low power mode. Okay. Got you. It was 75 though with the low power mode. I didn't think they had those options that far back. I mean, did we get ripped off, guys? Did we get ripped off? We got ripped off. Yeah. That's cool, man. My twin is much newer. Probably about 2000. But my deluxe reverb was a 74. And that thing is clean. It's cleaner than the 2000 twin that I bought brand new. Past time until nightfall. Guys, you have to, if you want the Caelid experience, you got to choose the Deathbird. At least for me, I do. It's probably going to happen on every playthrough. Like when DLC comes out, I'm going to be over here like, I'm going to be over here freaking cheesing Deathbirds. I'll be like, they'll be like, dude, go to the new area. I'll be like, but the Deathbird, he'll fall off the edge. Don't go too close to the edge. Don't go too close to the edge. Come to me, Deathbird. Oh, he's being a good boy this time. Okay. Come on. Wow. Okay, guys. Got him. He just fell. I saw him. Did you guys see him? He fell down the edge. Something fell. He fell. I have it on video. Something fell. Something fell, guys. Did you not see it fall? I'm telling you, I wouldn't be surprised if they patched it and he fell and came back up. I'm dead serious. Could you guys see him? He's not. He reset. But what I'm trying to explain is I saw him fall. I have it on video. I have it on video. I saw him fall. Unless the... Oh, my God. Unless the blackbird came over. Isn't there a blackbird over here? I saw him fall. No, it was him. It was him. I saw him fall. He fell like way... He fell like way... Oh, God. He fell way over here. I saw him fall, guys. Yep. Okay, little bit, little bit. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. We got to get to the safe spot, guys. I saw him fall, guys. Come on, sucker. Yeah, there you go. That's where I want you. That's where I want you. That's where I want you. He's back. Dude, he's backing up. It's so not fair. Okay, we're not going to do this all night, guys. We're going to get him right now, or we're going to move on. See, it might have been that blackbird right there. It might have been, but I don't think it was. Is a kite too long when I could do that? Should I just, like, stay over here? I'm telling you, man. I got it on video. Come on. The way I understood it is you... yeah, you get him to the edge. Get him to the edge. I got him to the edge now. Okay. And you keep him on the edge. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, well, I'm gonna... Will he come... he comes now that I'm on the freaking ground. Yeah. Come on. If I get killed, I'm gonna be so mad. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get cheesed. You can see me, man. Did they fix this? What's happening? I'm fighting the kid. Whoa. Fighting the camera, folks. Okay, what if I go down? He'll probably just knock me off, right? That's about as far as I think I can go. I need to change my name on here back to Anders Tiedenthal. Hey! Guys, it took a little bit of skill. Took a little bit of skill, folks. Was that on my health pots? Was that on my health pots? It was. Wow. Well, we didn't reset. Couple pulls. Got my poker. Not really probably going to use it on this, but we have it. Is my horse dead? Dude, my freaking horse is dead, bro. Dude, the cost The cost for the Death's Poker. Never forget your dinosaur, says Drew. Dinosaur. I need to change my name on here back to Andrew Stephen Thal. Okay, got you, Dinosaur. How you doing, Andrew? Good to see you, man. Why'd you change it to Dinosaur? Is there a story behind that? Okay, now, Caelid. What things to do in Caelid? We could get some glove warts. I'm staring right at Kimen and Nial, I think. I think we can run there from here. Okay, you're freaking me out, game. You're freaking me out. Oh, the story is too long to type out. Got you, man. But it was worth it. At the time. What do we get? Sacramental Bud? Don't even know him. Okay, the Swamp of Ariona. There's a place somewhere over here where I always get invaded. I hate it. Nial's over here. Oh, there's the invasion, guys. No. We got to add. Well, I can't fight you if I don't have my freaking weapons. I can't change my weapons, man. Okay, we gotta watch out for the poopies. I'm gonna get poopies for sure. I'm gonna get poopies for sure. Yep, I'm dead. I want to kill the invader at least. There's 2 of them! They're everywhere! That was freaking... Man, I knew that was gonna happen! Sorry. I knew that was gonna happen, guys. I'm like, don't I get invaded around here somewhere? Duh. Are we doing After Dark on YouTube now? Yes, Andrew. All the After Darks are on YouTube. Daniel Abbott going to play some checkers face to face. I'll teach your chess though. Nice. I feel Gandalf in Moria right now. LOL. Okay. Dude, that was ridiculous, man. Dinosaur says, I'm not even that old, but I was on an app called Reality and everyone knew me as Dino Dad. They called me Fossil Fuel, but it was all in good faith. They love me. Right. Love it, love it. You're 32 with the 12-year-old. Okay, how many playthroughs have you done now? I think it's been 21 Elden Beasts. It's either 20 or 21 Elden Beasts, and I've got a lot that are real close. Okay, tricks. Tricks of the trade. I have my spell up. Let me get my poker up. Nope. Whoa. Now if I get invaded, I'll get high ground, and we'll start shooting much quicker. And hopefully without ads. How do we get invaded without the ads? That's my question. Maybe over here? Do those things come out of the ground? Are they going to come no matter what? Caleb! Dude, it's not After Dark without Caleb, folks. Where was I? There's my runes. Okay. So where did those... Like, I'm clicking, I'm not getting any targets. Here's a place where I can avoid poopies. There's a bad guy. You want to just kill him now? Dude, these things are strong, bro. There's the invader. Not fair. Not fair. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I was trapped. I couldn't move. I couldn't move. I couldn't move. I was trapped. I tried to jump. I think she was like on top of me. I love just hack and slash with absolute forgiveness. Seen you run so many builds and play this game a lot. I always enjoy watching you play these kinds of games because I suck at Souls games. Hey, you know what? I just got stuck in a hole. I'm gonna try. Can I not traverse this side of the map across the Scarlet Areola without getting invaded? Thanks, Charlie, for saying it's not After Dark without Caleb. No way, man. It's a real thing, dude. We'll try this side. I feel like now I'm just being a little baby, though, right? I'm just running from the freaking invader. Oh, Grace, let's try this. Let's try this, folks. We got a Grace. I would kind of like to fight that invader, but man, oh man. And the freaking, that ad, I was putting the hurt on that fool, and it looks like he just got all his life back. Did anyone see that? Meteorite staff, anyone? I feel like over here's where I would get invaded by that person. But down here's where the... We don't need a meteorite staff, guys. Grace is over here. Is Caelid all of a sudden becoming small, and I know Caelid now? The Swamp of Aeona, I actually understand it. Don't forget to like and share, chillers. Thank you, Dino, man. Guys, thank you guys, man. Likes, shares, and if you don't sub, be sure and sub there, Dino. I appreciate it. If you would, if you like what you see. Okay, you guys want to just, go in there and... Where's the entrance? Should we use the summons? Hey, he's using summons, right? Where's the summons? Why don't I have the summons, guys? I almost have full scarlet poop on me. Why don't I have the summons? Drew, do you know why there's no summons there? I am subbed, but it was personalized. I just turned it to all. Oh, man, thank you, man. Thank you, Dino. Yeah, I heard about that. I heard a lot of people have their stuff set to personalized, so you don't always get a notification when someone subs, which kind of sucks. I mean, but it's good to have... Where? Why? Does anyone know why there's no summons here? I mean, I could stick it. I could stick it. Get a teacher out, but he has summons. You're going the wrong entrance. No, this is the right entrance. Whoa. See, that last one would have got dead in an instant. He put the scarlet poop. He put the poop on me. I got to rest again. What a joke. That. Oh, wait. I said that. I say that now. Let me look. I feel like that's the right entrance. But no. I can go right here. There she is. You're right, dude. You're 1,000,000% right. Okay. Let's get her. Come on, Pollyanna. Who do you guys want with Pollyanna? Guys, you know what we haven't done? We haven't done a really nasty puppet, folks. The Eater of the Dung level 10, folks. I'm doing it. I don't even care, guys. I don't care if we freaking mop through these fools. I got a freaking flask first, man. What's my freaking problem? Come on, Commander Niall. He's gonna be mad. Dung Eater's working on the ads, folks. Pollyanna's in there. She's doing her work, folks. But I'm just gonna melt from the sides, from the sidelines, folks. Oh God, he sees me. I don't want anything to do with that poopy. Okay, that sucked. Good. Dong, you could come back to the fight anytime you want to. Dong's taking a long time on the ads. Don't you guys think so? I think Dong should be reprimanded. We should call him in for a review, guys. He definitely needs a review because Dong is not really taking part. He's got a girl, Pollyanna, doing all the work for him, man. I expect Dong over here taking serious bootay. I was coming back here to get the Dung involved. It's like, you got to come to work, Dung. Sorry. Playing with the ads. I do Mimi sometime to get that frost proc faster. That's a great idea. Oh, me a bag of pretzel Cheetos. Guys, I was trying to melee Morgott the other night. And it was pretty rough. I did a little bit of research. Just a little bit of refresher course. Okay? But the only times I've ever killed Morgott melee was Big Bonk. Which basically means, you know, run up and... Oh, this is where the invasion was? No runes? This is exactly where I got stuck. It's exactly where I got stuck, guys. Give me my horse. I'm invaded. I'm invaded. I'm invaded. And, oh my god, they're everywhere. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. That is so not fair. I didn't even do anything wrong. I didn't even do anything wrong. So I didn't get invaded, so why won't it let me use my horse then? The invader comes in here, I'll fight the invader in here. There it is. See what I'm talking about, invader? You got nothing. I got a free sacrificial bud, folks. I do Mimi sometimes to get that. Yeah. 1000%. So, one thing I thought of is Shackle. Buff to the teeth. Hear me out. Buff to the teeth. Run in. Shackle. Or maybe even run in Rancor, Ash. Shackle, Rancor, Ash. Shackle, Rancor, Ash. Phase 2, pretty easy, I'm thinking. I'm thinking without lifting a finger. I mean, it's a thought. It's a real thought, guys. What the hell else is there to do in Caelid? We could head from here. Well, you know, this guy's kind of far in the game, playing on my 5-year-old son's character. Warrior build, nice. Now I want to go the exact opposite way. What's wrong with the horse today, guys? It's broken. The horse is broken. Deny it. Deny the horse is not broken. Tell me the horse is not broken. I won't believe it. This is the right path, right? Yes, it is. Oh, we got a bird, guys. We got a real Marty freaking bird on us right now. If you're just getting here, this is the Death Sorcery build, folks. We are absolutely tearing through stuff, having a blast. I love this build. It makes me feel like a dark demon, folks. No reason. No reason. Come on, I was going for the cool photo op. What's a good earlier game melee weapon I could use instead of this axe that it came with? I think what you're looking for is a Stormhawk axe. I don't know how to get it, though. How do you guys get that Stormhawk axe? Is that the one I'm talking about? There's some good weapons, but like you gotta like go in Everjails and kill a boss. And kill an Everjail fool. The if you don't mind bleed, if you're not anti-bleed like some people are, because they already did their bleed build and now they look down their nose like, oh, that is so 2 years ago. It's like, okay, what if I never did it? Okay, so Radon's open, guys. Let's just go take care of him. We're gonna take care of Radon, guys. And I'm gonna try and put the poopy on him too, because he has a big hitbox. Elden Ring actually got it right. It seems. Or a flail. Why in every game do the mounts always spawn backwards the way you want to go? Do they really? I never really considered it, but it makes perfect sense. Axe with that storm stomp ash is pretty good for staggering. Yeah, it's pretty nice, but where do you get it? It's early game, right? Or is it not? Or is it not? It might be very late game. I'm just not sure. I've seen it on some challenge runs, but it could have been on randomizers. You know what I'm saying? And so, I don't know. I just know Radahn's going down, down, down. Radahn is going down. I'm going to summon every fool I can on the floor, folks. Every fool. And then I'm going to buff up to the teeth, guys, for a raid boss. And then I am going to run in on him. I'm not going to cheese him from the distance like that thing we were just doing. I'm going to run underneath him and try and do the poopy. And hit him with the fire. Guys, do you guys want to make Mary? I don't even know her.
Allow me to paint
It's first ash you get at Gateway Ruins. Ah. Yeah, but I'm talking about the like Stormhawk Ashers. Stormhawk Axe. Dinosaur says, I'm playing No More Heroes 3 on Breezy mode. It's basically a boss fighter Souls-like, but on Breezy mode, you're invincible. Just play for fun. Like I said, I'm not a Souls player, but it's fun. Yeah, that's cool, Dino. Give it the old college try, says Truth. Who cares if they lock down, if they look down on you? Yeah. No, it's funny. Power stances. Power stances second axe is super fun. Truth just revealed his hand that he was, in fact, on the chess stream today. With a good old college try reference. If I could just go around this. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to break. Well, sorry. Guys, you know I had a chair like this? I had a chair like this. It may have been worth a lot of money. I'm not sure. The reason why it wasn't like probably worth like, hundreds of thousands is because it was not, because it had some damage to it. It had some damage to it. But it was a chair from hundreds of years ago. It was a freaking, it was not, I got it from a rich guy who kind of flaked out and just kind of left it. But he bought it like at an antique thing or something. And it very much looked like those chairs I was just showing you guys. Not that chair. That chair has no arms. This is a freaking armchair, folks. It looked like it would be like not a king's throne or a king's chair, but like the chairs that would sit around like the king's dinner table. You know what I mean? It was a beautiful chair. You're an upholsterer. You know what to, but I'm sure what to buy. Yeah, I didn't buy it, though. Like I said, it was half gifted to me, half slacked to me, half willed to me, half freaking owed to me, half. Whole bunch of halves. Whole bunch of halves, folks. We are going to not use that weapon. We are going to use this drink. We're going to buff inside, so we might as well drink inside in case poop hits the fan, folks. Poop! Poop can hit fans, folks. Flame, grant me strength for sure on this one. Okay. Talismans. Oh, God. Here we go. Wish me luck. I've screwed up this intro so many times. It's half of a half. Half of this, half of that. Oh, got them all? There's some behind you? Oh, come on. Wow. Good. Sticks. Sticks are freaking me out. Sticks are freaking me out. Okay, about now is when I tell my summons. If you would go ahead and attack Radahn, that would be great. Begin the buffing sequence, folks. Is that everything? I hope so. Okay, he hit me. Still hitting him. He knows who hates him. He's gonna go away. That's embarrassing, guys. It's not really embarrassing. It's just the scenario. Drinking. Where is he? Wow. Oh, someone's over here. There's one. I'm just trying to get some fools up, guys. Some corn foolios. That shit. What about these guys? Are these just messages? Whoa. Oh my god. I almost had to play Elden Ring, guys. I always eat those. I never can dodge those. It's time to kill him, guys. He's on a move, guys. Did I hit him? I'm out of mana. I could die right here. Wow, what a joke. Hey! Guys, that was almost like a real Radon fight. Like, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. The cheese isn't just quite, it's just not quite as cheesy as one might expect it to be. Diamond tufting is very time-consuming and articulate work. Yeah, man. It is. Nice high back. Hardwood ornate chairs are always so interesting and add character. These had big, beautiful curved arms on them and stuff. Looked like a dog or something and chewed on some of the wood. Some of it got damaged. They had little freaking... I mean, it was an old chair, man. It was just an old chair. It was an old chair, man. It was an old freaking chair. Crime I ever let that chair get away from me. Boss smashing and horseback riding with jamming out to Stream Rock is elite streaming stuff. Why, thank you, truth. Okay, we've seen enough of this. Okay, now, what did we talk about, folks? We talked about some... Where's the, you can't see it from here, right? It's over here. It's over here. Oh, I'm supposed to talk to Blade? I'm supposed to probably grab the Grace and talk to Blade, right? Did we kill Alexander, guys? We already have his shards, I think, so we don't need to kill him.
The glory of the falling succumb fast.
Sick way to fight, eh? Yeah, pretty sick, I guess, buddy.
Then we'll go into my only purpose cathedral.
Final act. Do we grab the Grace? No. We'll talk to this fool in case we want to get him. Isn't that your own music too, Charlie? It is, Andrew. This is me playing guitar, man. This is me playing guitar.
And as such, as luck, if I and you, who could expect?
Okay, you'll grow even stronger next time we meet. Yeah. Okay. Guys, one thing about me, I'm a glove ward. Hey, we have fire, don't we? Now tell me this though: the ancient death rancor, is that fire damage? Is that fire damage? Am I going the wrong way? Am I going the wrong way, guys? No, I'm going the right way. War Dead Catacombs. It's magic. It's not fire. But the other one, the explosive ghost flame is fire. Right? Okay. Because isn't there a nasty, 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 nasty worm in this freaking place? I can't even see the door, folks, but I know it's there, so I'm going anyway. I just want to grab some glove warts while we're here, folks, because here's the thing. Expansion, guys. What if there's a new Malarker that needs to get leveled up or something? A new summons or something, right? for fun. Although I think I'm going to be doing DLC melee only. Because I got to, guys, I got to get good. Explosive is magic. It's not fire. That explosive ghost flame is not fire. I thought you guys said that's why we would do flame grant me strength. No? I like to bump my head on the wall. There's no frog here? I think I have a different dungeon. Okay. We're going to have to take out a fool. So I'm going to... Now I said if it doesn't affect... Yeah, for some reason I thought that one did. But okay, I believe you 1,000%. But I thought someone said that particular one it did because it was a flame, because it, I don't know, had flame in the name or something? I don't freaking... Come on, you're not supposed to chase me, buddy. It pooped on. Okay, now the sister. If I kill the sister, I promise I'll run through the rest. This guy's hard. This guy's naughty. You can walk forward, you know. There's no way. See? This catacomb is freaking rough, man. Someone else did. Yeah. I didn't necessarily say that you did. Yeah. Got you. I believe you, brother. I believe you. Okay, well, now we're just going to try and run past everything. We could, like, you know, for the glove warts, guys. It's for the glove warts. Billy, was it you, Billy? Guys, for the glove warts. These are easy enough to remember. For the glove warts, guys. Okay, there we go. We're going to run through, guys. We're going to run through and get glove warts. With multiple damage negation scenarios. I was particularly talking about Ghost Flame Sorceries. Ah, okay. Not all the sorceries, right. God, I freaking went to look at him. This is the right window, though, right? Wrong window. Wrong window, folks. Okay, I think I know where this is. And all this does is put poopy on me and get me back upstairs. It's all this does. And I guess there's some loot here. Where's the stairs? Okay, so that was a huge mistake, guys. I bet there's a glove wart down there, too, but I don't want that glove wart. That's a glove wart I don't need in my life, folks. Just trying to get back upstairs so we could, what, start over again? Oh, my God. It's going to put me back in the room with all those guys fighting, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, it sure as hell is. Now I know where I am, anyway. That guy's still chasing me? Wow. Okay, so we have to do that run again, and it's not the second window. I was wrong about NG order of saying NG1 was first run. Yeah. You know what, man? Everybody can't be... Whoa. And it's not this window. Oh, God, no. No. It's this window. I could have jumped through the window. And I know where I am. This should just get to the end, though, man. I think I'm leaving gloveworts on the table, folks. He won't die. He's going to kill me. He almost killed me. Wow. Well, we got the front door open, so that's good. That's all we care about. I mean, in a way. I don't know if I'm going to kill that thing if there's no fire. Ghosts are magic. Oh, yeah. I can kill this thing if I summons. And I am a caster, so I think we'll just go ahead and do that. I only have 3 health pots. You know, not the end of the world. That's the way out of here. This is the way. Oh, there's another glovewort right here. I didn't see, guys. Like to pick the pretty gloveworts. One must acquire gloveworts. We have mana. Yeah, we have mana. That's good because we're gonna summon. What do you think, guys? Ding dong. A ding dong eater. Ding dong. Ding dong. We got no flask, man. It's just a little bit sad. It's a little bit sad. Well, the grace is right there. Let's just go. Can we port to it? Nope. Got to run to it. These bestial monkeys are giving me run. Need to get the rust off. Bestial monkeys. Bestial monkeys. Which one is that? There's no gloveworts here. I'm only here for the gloveworts, folks. But now we got to see if we can take out. This guy's nasty, man. Hey, Charlie, any karaoke for the event coming up? No, there will be no karaoke. There will be no karaoke, just a live band. The live band is going to play for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to take a little break, and then I'm going to get up and lead the band for about an hour and a half. That is how it's going to go down. And it's going to be fun. Because if I played the whole time, it would be like, hey, come watch me perform, and you would go, and like we wouldn't be hanging out. So that's why the first half of the music, I'm going to be hanging out with you guys. And then the second half, I'm going to get up and we're going to sing the Halletree song, guys. The band's going to have to learn Halletree song, guys. I'm going to show it to them. It's real simple. It's real simple. They'll be able to play it. It's going to be freaking fun. Okay, let's get ready. Oh my God. I hope I have enough to summon the dung eater. I do. Oh my God. I still have those freaking oh God, come on, get it. We gotta go. He's gonna look at me at some point. Oh my God. Did he grab me? Grab me that time. Is he gonna kill me? Dude! I thought he grabbed me the first time. There'll be a shark with laser beams attached at the event. Oh, nice, even better. Yeah, we rebuilt the shark, folks. Guys, if you guys don't know, in a week from tomorrow, we will be playing chess. And we rebuilt the shark, guys. This is a shark. Check this out. As long as I don't forget to come off this scene, folks. We have a shark with freaking laser beams attached to his head, guys. All right. And a lucky win. And these are real laser beams, guys. Like, you got to be careful not to shine them in people's eyeballs. And a chiller that comes to the event, our real life meetup, Friday night, and really Saturday is the big day. will get... One of them's going to go home with that hat, man. I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to do it. It's going to be random. It's not going to be a contest. But it's going to be... you're going to have to be present. You're going to have to be present. And that's all I really know at this point. Oh, I didn't remix my physics, man. John Kieran, how you doing, man? John Kieran, it's good to see you, man. Yeah, probably a raffle. I'm guessing a raffle. Thank you. Thank you. You saved me. You saved me. Probably a raffle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, here we go. That was looking pretty good. I just can't be getting I can't be getting what's the word? Grabbed. Oh my God. Come on, leave me alone, buddy. There's no way. There's no way he grabbed me with that. And it kills me every time. Didn't kill me that time. You could be a dung eater, you know. At the top off, guys. Oh, I don't have the, Oh, wow. I wonder if the summons hit him, guys. I got a drink. Dung's going down. Dung's going down, guys. That's bad. I gotta really put the poopy on right now. I wonder if he has frost on him right now. He kind of needs to die. Because I got a drink. Come on! Hey! We got him, guys. We got him with the summons. I mean, guys, I'm trying to think if I've ever beat that guy no summons. I mean, if I ever even want to understand it, comprehend it. Bring in the Joe Dirt Meteor. Ghost Flame sounds magical. As magical as Streamrock. Nailed it. Billy, it does have flame in the name, so anyone would think it. Right. But a little buy-in. No. 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 No, your buy-in. The buy-in is for... if you're a chiller, if you watch the streams, and you come to the event, that's your buy-in. I don't need to try and make a few bucks. You know what I mean? I'm spending money on this thing, guys. I'm buying the food. I'm paying the band. I had to hire the band, guys. Like, I'm spending money on this thing. I got a hotel room for 2 nights. I'm spending money on this thing. This is me giving back. I can't go to Lenny's Rise. Lenny's Rise is like right there. How does that make sense? But we can't go. But we're not allowed to go. And we don't have any graces that can really go anywhere cool. Right? Does that invisible cave go all the way through? Try the golem. You're right. There. Oh, the golem. We appreciate it, Charlie. Oh, yeah, man. It's nothing. Are you coming, man? I hope you're... Oh, wait. Is there... You guys know the... Oh, I can't pour it. I got to go out. Are you coming, Andrew? You're everyone for doing that too. People appreciate it, man. You know what? I appreciate it, dude. I started streaming chess 3.5 years ago. 6 months later, I quit my day job, and I built this great community. And then I started doing After Darks with gaming, and I've saved some money, guys. I haven't like spent every penny, because here's the thing: you don't have to make a lot of money to save money if you're at home all the time. I'm at home all the time. I'm at home all the time. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a car, man. And so, I mean, I have a car, but I don't have like a car payment. I'm trying my best to come. I'm hoping to bring my cousin with me. You know what, man? Do me a favor. See, it's so hard to plan for this because so many. That's the first I've heard, but you didn't sign up for the event, right? I have a list right here. And all two. What would you say the odds are you coming, Andrew? You and your you said bring in your cousin. 80%. Okay. 80% yes. Yeah, because I have to get a final head count, and it's about a week away. As a musician, you're living top tier. No, I did not. Can you please send me the info? It's at my page at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming and look at on Facebook, and up at the top there'll be featured items. One of them is our live alert broadcast channel. You just joined that, right? Or you already have joined that. Right next to it is our Chillers Real Life Meetup, March 23rd. We're going to do the 22nd for the hardcore people to come in early. We're going to play chess around 5 o'clock and have some drinks on Friday night at 5 p.m. Picnic at 1 p.m. the next day on Saturday, and then live music starts at 8. And it's all walking distance from the hotel. I got it all planned out. I feel like I have to like ride all the way over there, guys. Is that true? Yeah. Yeah, so there you go. All the info is there. All the info is, you said you've seen it. You've seen the Chillers Real Life Meetup. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one, brother. All you got to do is go to that. Oh, wait. I can start here. Not Gatefront. Gatefront? But isn't there a... Oh, yeah, that's right. This works. Yeah. Yes, I did. Yeah. Like I said, just go. All you got to do is go read the event. I think I covered it pretty good, man. I spent a lot of time. I wrote all the details. The hotel, the discount code for the hotel, where everything's going to be, the times, and everything. You know what I'm saying? And so, yeah, man. Okay, so you're saying, like, should I up that to, like, 90%? I'm pretty sure I did say interested. Right. Yeah. If you went back and did that, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. That's very cool, man. I'm glad you're coming, dude. It's going to be great. I can't wait to meet so many of you guys, man. It's going to be really cool. Mike Stagner just won the chess tournament yesterday. He's going to be there. We're going to be playing chess Friday, guys. A week from tomorrow. We're going to be playing chess in person with Mike Stagner. It's going to be hilarious. Our own Trey Karras is coming. Who else is coming, man? Cat is... No, not Cat. Cherry Scotia is coming. Yeah, it's going to be really cool, man. It's just going to be absolutely freaking amazing. I am a sorcerer. But did we already come in here and do this? We didn't, because if we did... Oh, wait, that's not it, right? Come on. We wouldn't have a fog wall. Gotcha. If you need a head count, add a +1 for me. Got you, Billy. Thank you, Billy. Thank you, man. I had no idea that I would get as much. Cool. That's good. Yeah, it's gonna be freaking hilarious, man. It's gonna be so much freaking fun. Okay. He's just a pumpkin head, guys. We should be able to melee. You guys want to melee? Especially since we got all this malark. Oh no! You got to get behind him, right? That was bad timing. Now I'm just whacking you guys. Got him. Gotta dance. Okay, maybe this is a newbie area. But I figured since I'm a sorcerer, I should meet this chick, right? I'm equipped with Summer Smithing Stone, if you will. Cool arrow +1. Got you, brother. Cool arrow +1, man. You know it.
Still very well, but I refuse to anticipate.
We have all of these things. Good, 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 good. Done. I feel good about that. We grabbed a grace. Playing a game. We're gaming, folks. We're gaming. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. This is my... Whoa. Let's make him look right, guys. There we go. This is my death sorcery build. With the open the door and see all the people steeples, folks. The heeple steeples. I don't remember names so much as I remember ideas. And I remember kind of rhymes, and it's like a heeple steeple or something. Oh, man. And guys, one thing about me, I got a problem with loot. I'll go way out of the way for loot. This is NG 10. That's Journey 11 for you who are not familiar with the terms. Isn't there a ever jail up here? It's up here. Do I see the worm? Where's the... It's up there. I just made you say ever jail up there. I say that a lot, folks. Yeah, heeple steeple. That's what I said. That's what I said. You heard me. All right, we're going to do an ever jail, folks, as we ride into Caelid from the other side, because I don't know how to get from one side of Caelid to the other because it's too hard. We cheesed a Deathrite bird earlier, folks, for no reason, but it is a death style. I didn't rest. Burns like fire, but you know what? I ain't scared. We got a VTFU. Oh, we can do all that inside, right? Forlorn Bloodhound. Ooh, I hate this guy, man. I hate this guy. I feel like maybe I should be casting. It's gonna be hard to get cast off too. What do? You just do what you can do till you can't do no more. Just get where we got some damn. Where are we? Guys, I forgot my buffing process. We only have 8 health pots, guys. He almost killed me. But we got the poop on him. Die. That was freaking... Guys, I almost had to play Elden Ring right there. Good thing I have skills beyond reproach, folks. Yeah, that was pretty rough. Forlorn Bloodhound. Yeah, that guy was kind of easy, man. I ain't gonna lie. I really wasn't meaning to do any Linernia, guys, but the problem is we're right here at the freaking we're running to Caelid. Wait. I'm going the wrong way, man. I'm going the wrong way. We got to go back north, guys. He uses some good there. I got lucky. Gonna bring my PS Portal to play Elden Ring for the road. Billy, nice, man. Smart. Well, that's a sign of intelligence. Yeah, that's a sign of intelligence, man. I might bring the road rig. Might do a little live from the hotel room. I might go live from the club. Might go live from the picnic. I got a vibe, man. I got a vibe. I don't want to be in content creator mood the whole time. There's a lot of people that aren't going to be able to make it. And I want to include them as much as we can. You know what I'm saying, guys? I'm sure you guys would agree. But they don't get to be included in the shark raffle. I got it. It's like I say for the subs. When I go live to subs only on Facebook, I got to do something. No way. I got to do something for the subs, guys. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to go up, huh? This is Fort Faroth, and I'm going south again. And I can't look at my freaking map until I freaking kill this fool. I think I was supposed to be up, guys. All right? Yeah. This feels better. What shack is this? Is this the artist shack, folks? The artist shack? Hello, Wolf. How you doing, brother? That's great damage for +10, honestly. Even for an early game flow. Oh, why, thank you. Well, I mean, it's +10. It's a somber weapon, right? Somber weapons +10 are like the same or better than the other ones that are +25, right? Oh, where I'm wanting to go is here. So I do want to go that way. So I'm not mad at myself because I did get the grace, but now I'm feeling like this is the way down. Right? This will take me to Marika. Marika, ooh, baby, when you talk like that. Yeah, man. We're going now. We're going to the church, folks. Take me down to the little white church. Take me down. NG +10. Yeah, right. I still don't know how to kick people, guys. Otherwise, I kick him off. At NG +10, I'm going to go ahead and assume... I'm going to go ahead and assume that I've already done it. Now, you think you, like, get suspicious if this guy behind him's, like, you know, buffing up? You know what I mean?
Hello? Is anybody there? Someone who might be interested in rescuing the great Kenneth Height.
Get meleeed.
To the true order and fast. Which tarnished.
Get meleeed there, buddy. I buff for him like he's a boss, guys. I'm sorry. It's like overkill, I guess, right? But you know what? I like to punch through. Wait. The church is up there. Is the church up there? No. It's down this road. Okay. I think we found the church, folks. +10 Sombers are the same strength as 25 regulars. Well, yes, but I think Sombers are better weapons, right? As a rule. I mean, I would think they would have to be. Because I know that I was watching all these top streamer, you know, no-hit run kind of guys doing a challenge run. And one of the stipulations was no somber weapons, and they were all bummed about it. Is it maybe it was because maybe they're not better? Maybe it's because they're easier to level. That might have been what it is, right? Interesting. Yeah, they're probably easier to level. I probably used more smithing stone weapons than somber. I think I've used more somber. Yeah, sombers are just better overall, like getting a boss weapon as compared to a regular straight sword. Yeah, okay. Now we did that. Oh yeah, now I'm like, okay, where do I go? How do I get to Caelid? You take the porta potty, folks. Right? Doesn't this take? This one we get to fight the fire dragon, guys. Fire dragon going down. Fire dragon's going down. Down. You guys know that movie? Okay, we're gonna. I mean, we don't need to grab the grace, huh? Let's just open the door because I think it stinks in there. It's like, woof! I'm gonna leave the door open there, buddy. Yeah, you can use a little bit of help. Remember I used to get that guy Death Roots? What was it even for? What was it even for, man? That was fun doing Drew's Godskin duo the other night, man. That was pretty cool. We just manhandled it, man. We just summoned Bernal and just manhandled that sucker. You give him Death Root. For beast incantations, I probably have some of them. We got her on the other stream, but I do have her on my monk if you want to take a crack at her with me. Ancient Summer, Smithing Stones, and all. Oh, really? Oh, so I'll give you an ancient too, huh? Is it like a... I doubt I have any... I don't have any great runes activated either, guys. But it's like... Where would the Death Root be? Would it be here? That's not it. Death Root. I don't think I have any Death Roots to give that fool. Oh, I might have some from other playthroughs, though. Where are Death Roots, guys? Done esta Root of Death. Key items. That's kind of what I actually thought. Inventory, key items. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Do you guys... What do they look like? What does a Death Root look like? Oh, I never went back for Millicent. Crafting kit. Whetstones. Tailoring tools. I got a bell bearing. I don't think I have it. They don't fold over from NG. Okay. Maybe I just don't have any yet. I'm at Morgot. Morgot. Just bring someone up who's going to help me out. And then let's just put caster clothes on. And wait. And nope. Oh, God. Oh, God, I missed it. I wanted Terra Magica. 2. Oh, I got the wrong thing. 1. We could fight him, you know. He's just gonna burn us to death. There. Why? Of course, my Terra Magica's... Dude, he's spamming it, bro. Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm riding in. Well, that was my bubble, so. You lucky son of a gun. This is like if Dung Eater, I can't believe Dung Eater's still like halfway up. Now I wish I would have took my Okay, wrong spell anyway. He's gonna fly. A little bit of damn. Little bit of poopy on the foot. Oh, come on. Come on. Popping off. Gonna have to get on the horse. Ain't no point fighting this fool. He just spams fire, guys. Go ahead. Come on, I had you, bro. Get it. Why is he just meleeing me, man? I got a freaking dung eater right there. I tried magic and got bored. My friend tried to get me to explain everything at once while using my entire body to mop the floor with me. Billy says, yeah, it definitely needs to be explained. Magic the Gathering. I don't play Magic the Gathering. I don't even know how to play it. I'll tell you right now. I'm doing that again. Oh, wait. But here's what we have to do. We actually have to take more damage, folks. Pass, mix my wonderful physic. This one is going to be magic damage. This one is going to be... I don't think we're going to break his stance. So I'm going to leave the hardened tier up. Folks. And I felt like Dung Eater wasn't doing anything. Does anyone agree? I have a bad feeling if I summon... Oh, I could summon the Mimi. You would fight Mimi? That'd be great. I saw the fire coming. What, I didn't have the range or something? Okay, we got almost no damage off. At all. We got one of those off. And that's a lot of damage. Yeah. This guy's a joke. That sounds lovely. This dude is freaking rough at +10. That's why you go to Old freaking Faithful, folks. Old Faithful. Black Knife Tish. And I will take something like this off. And this is going to like make me twice as strong. Because I'm going to not only take less damage, but I am going to... And you know what? Let's just melee him. Well, no, because I got all my trinkets. All my trinkets, guys, are for magic. There we go. You can attack me. Get in there, maybe he'll melee you. The only way to really fight this fool is up close, because otherwise he spams fire. Come on, spam your fire. Spam your little fire thing. There you go. Oh, God. Come on, cast it. How much? Dude, it took me forever to cast that. Oh, I had the wrong... I'm dead. I knew it was going to catch me, man. I forgot the drink. Dude, so much damn, bro. Rethinking. And should have gone the other way. Okay. There we go. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. I didn't expect you to freaking, you know, like, try and delete me. Got him. Woo! So did basically Black Knife Tish just delete that guy while I was staying alive? Did anyone see that? Good thing I'm recording. I'll have to go back. Bielski, what's up? Charlie, what's happening, brother? How's it going after darker? It's darker. Bielski, did you say you're coming to the chiller thing? Or no? I see, because I know I made a mistake the other day. I had a brain fart, and I was thinking about Ratursky. Brian Ratursky said he's coming, so I think you said you could make it, right? You guys, I need to know any chillers, man. You guys are everyone that likes the channel is invited to come. I'm alright, just trying to figure out how to get mods for Elden Ring to work. Yeah, man, there's videos and stuff, right? And we already been that way. Cool. Yeah. I got so slapped around by that freaking dragon. No, I wish I could be getting my car out of the shop, stall my savings. I hear you, man. No, I understand stuff like this. What? Come on. What did I aggro? That little dude over there? Whatever. Okay, we're going to go to Lenny's Rise and open the ball farm, guys. The ball farm. I still see people cheese the Black Knight Cavalry. Is that still cheesable? Do you know for a fact it is? Like, someone tell me the last time they cheesed the Black Knight Cav. Because I feel like I've seen it recently, man. In videos that I thought were relatively new. But I've tried it, and he just won't drop. Maybe it just takes a lot of tries. I've also been fighting him in the street where I wanted to fight him. I had a melee build, and I wanted to fight him, and I'm fighting him in the middle of the street, and he literally turns away from me and walks over to the edge and drops off. I swear to God. That happened. I have it on, it's on one of my reels. I can't make them work. I follow the videos. Nothing seems to take with them. Oh, man. Yeah, you know, the biggest reason I don't, although I'll install World of Warcraft mods. So it's kind of weird to be like, well, okay, so you'll install World of Warcraft mods, but you won't install... You know what I'm saying? But I kind of don't want to, man. I kind of like... I'm afraid of getting hacked and stuff. Too close. Stag's help though. I could get hit here. He's gonna jack that thing up. If that thing keeps focusing on me like this, this thing's getting freaking. No. Oh, he put the Elden Stars on the freaking. Get pooped on. Ha! I love that Ash, dude. The Ash is funny, folks. Ash is funny. Oh yeah, he's cheesable, but just hop on the tree and range attack, right? Yeah, hop on the tree and range attack is cool, but it's like, I would rather fight him melee just as a man. If I could cheese him where I run to the edge and he falls off the edge like a dummy, and I just like, because to me that's funny, like we do with the Deathrite bird. To me that like it makes me happy. It warms my heart. Sitting up on top of the branch, I've done it before, guys. Not my proudest moment. I don't really like that cheese. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. Although I have been here on my Reduvia daggers, and I wanted to cheese him, and I didn't have the range. Yeah. Okay, let's hit this. We don't need anything in the house, folks. We just don't need to go in there, man. Oh, Lenny's Rise is way over here. I turned the wrong way, but I'm glad we got the Fort Faroth, Grace. Guys, we're here. We're rocking Caelid, guys, as promised. As promised in the thumbnail, guys. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I've been streaming full-time for 3 years. It's my main job. I do a little bit of work. Hey, guys, I got called for a gig this morning. I got called for a gig on the 30th. I have a gig on the... Oh, I have a gig tomorrow night playing guitar. Guys, I play lead guitar for bands, for 2 different bands. I'm not like officially a member. One of the bands, they kind of consider me a member, and I kind of consider myself a member. But you know, like we never freaking nothing was ever signed in blood, folks. Now wait. Lenny's Rise, you got to go this way. You can see it. Duh. And that's who I'm playing with tomorrow. I love these guys. I've known them all for years. They're great dudes. One of them is like a real friend. He's been to my house. I've been to his house. You know, when I used to go to Courtney's karaoke gigs, my girlfriend would do karaoke, host karaoke. She wouldn't sing. I mean, she sings when she, but she's the hostess, right? And I'd go to the bar. Oh no! Well, I'm not gonna die, I don't think now, right? Dude, I had it and I choked. So I'd go to the bar sometimes, but guys, we're talking about getting to the bar at 8 and leaving at 2, and like, you're not working, you ain't getting paid. You guys are like, well, what do you mean you get paid? Well, I personally, I work in bars sometimes. And so I could go to bars and spend a lot of time in bars while I'm working, playing guitar, hosting open mic, doing different things. Nothing there. I didn't think there would be. And so for me, I'm kind of like, man, 6 hours in a bar to just spend money? No, it's too much. I don't need it. I don't need it in my life, right? So I don't do it anymore. But when I used to do it, my buddy John, the drummer in this band, would meet me at the bar, would play chess. It was cool. It was cool. I'm going to try and work it so that when I'm driving to Arizona, I can get to Marble Falls on a Tuesday, says Bielski. Right, I'll swing through the brass hall while you're working and say, oh, dude, that would be such a beautiful surprise, man. I'm there, man. I'm there every Tuesday. We have had the most killer open mics. Guys, like professional, I've been getting all these really cool professional level musicians coming. All levels are welcome, and it's great. Sometimes the people that don't gig regularly, you know, they're just as magical as anybody else. There's a way out of here, right? But, yeah, right here. But when you have, like, working pros, man, like these guys, they play music. Some of them for a living, some of them for part-time for a living. And they'll come, and they'll just come and hang out, play music, and have a good time. And it's just like, it's really, really cool. It's a freaking honor is what it is, man. I'm so grateful to those people because it makes my night real nice. And so we've been having really killer open mics. Guys, let me see. Past time until nightfall. Do we cheese the? Do we? So Billy, though, you didn't necessarily tell me that you know for a fact he can't be cheesed off the edge. You just told me you know that he can be cheesed up here. Did I not aggro him or something? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Show me your strength. Show me your strength! Would they put a little wall up there or something? They're like, just sit there all day, kids. And I can dodge like that if I have to. So we got to go out and hit him with the Rancor, man. But that might hit him. Where you at, buddy? I don't need the runes, guys. I can't use the runes. The runes won't help me at all. Where is he? He's over here. He's mad. So you can cheese him this way, too. And just run to the spot. Am I too far? Really? I'm trying to keep the camera on him. I'm trying to keep the camera on him so if he falls, we get to see it. Oh! Tibia summons could probably cheese him over there. I cheese him from the branch to get him to jump. Or if he's being stubborn, just range attack him. He doesn't jump every time. Gotta go get my rooms now, guys, right? I mean, we can't. I mean, I don't need. Oh, wait. I'm supposed to post this pastime. Hate to see it, man. I'll tell you. It would. I just did it. I just do it for the meme, guys. It's just, to me, it's freaking funny. Until nightfall. Wonderful physic. Yeah, that'll all work for me. He's up, folks. Now we're going to show you skills. You guys are going to be like, wait, you mean you can kill this guy with the melee? I actually can. Believe it or not, I actually can, folks. Will I? I don't know. Here we go. Wish me luck, guys. Come on. We're burning Golden Valve here, buddy. I hate that. Where is he? I targeted the wrong... Whoa. He one-shotted me, bro? Am I too weak for Caelid? Dude, this NG10 is... But it can't be harder than NG7, right? Did you guys see that? He one freaking hit me. Screw that fool. I want my runes back. I want my runes back. I don't need to prove myself. Although I do like meleeing. You know what I mean? But I feel like it's gonna have to be no hit. And am I capable? I have totally melee killed him before. Have I done it when he's one hitting me? I haven't, guys. The Death Sorcery build. I guess I could try with it. I just want to. You know what I mean, guys? I feel unsatisfied. I feel unsatisfied, folks. If I feel unsatisfied, we got to put the poopy. We're gonna try and put the cheese on him right away, guys. With the big pull until nightfall. The big pull. The blue poopy on the floor, what's it called? It's called Terra Magica, guys. I have that. Yeah, for reals. I don't like the timing on this. The way he's like walking away. Because I kind of want to set up and have him kind of walking away a little bit. Well... That should be good. Oh, no. Maybe a little closer. Did I use everything? How is it not hitting him? Dude, the dog is hurt, bro. The dog is hurt. It takes so long. I jumped out way too early. He's got range like forget about it. I'd have to charge it, I know. Got him! Hey, man. And there you go, guys. That's how you kill a Knight's Cab with the Death Sorceries. Bloodhound Step. Not going to use it. Nice, man. Gotta dance. I just checked the date. I have a meeting on the 22nd, says Dinosaur. I'll have to make, but I'm going to try and reschedule the meeting for the 21st so I can make it Friday and Saturday. Hey, even though we're going to be playing chess Friday night, man, we'll probably have some chess sets at the, I have my set in my car. So we're going to have at least one set at the picnic, right? So there'll probably be some chess going on there. And what the hell? Fort Fairhouse, I don't need. I got this, Chris. I could have did Dragon Barrow, Rot Dragon, guys. Oh man. Oh man. Is there anyone here? Anyone here? Trey is not. Trey is kind of my Rot Dragon guy. But Drew, Wolf, both. Anyone that wants to freaking come kill a Rot Dragon with me? I hate the Rot Dragon. I mean, like, I hate the Rot Dragon. I freaking hate him. He's not my favorite. He always puts the Rot Poopies on me. And I hate him. Oh, wait, I'm going the wrong way. I gotta go up the air spring. You're down. Okay, I gotta run to the Grace still. Wait, how do you... Oh, yeah, right there. It's been a minute. Shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, cool. Yeah, like I said, if you, because the Friday night thing is just for people that, if people are going to come in Friday evening and check in around 4 at a hotel, right? And you don't even go that way, right? Well, I guess, is this it? Then, might as well, because I thought, you know what, I could have got the hotel for one day as well. But I'm like, I'm going to get it for 2 days. Get over there and chill. Now, am I going the right way? Yeah. You guys want to get invaded, folks? No. Because Drew's going to help me kill a Rot Dragon. It's getting late. So stop only thinking about yourself, Charlie Sardo Gaming, Dad. And just get your butt to the Grace, because I still got a little run. I'll help in a minute, Charlie. Just checking on... Well, I still got to run to the Grace, Wolf. So, yeah, man. I still got to get I got to grab some Graces. I got to get on the road. I got to run south. I'm not there yet. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, do what you got to do. Take a second. And then we'll kill us a Rot Dragon. It'll be fun. Guys, we're going to summon. We're going to summon people from the stream, folks. Drew and Wolf. I played with both of these gentlemen before. They're pretty good. If you saw my newest short on Facebook Gaming today, it is the combo of... Let's see if we can do it on this bird. It's the combo of... watch. Let's just get a little buff up, right, guys? It's this combo right here of... a couple charged Rancors, and then while they're moving, then you hit them with this Ash. The door's way too heavy, sir. That bird is big because, man, look at him. Oh, now we hit him. What's the matter, buddy? You're a bird. Why don't you come up? He doesn't want to play, guys. He doesn't want to play. I'm resting away from him. Liquid hot magma. You'll use my magma tanker. I freaking love that about you. Maybe I can run to the dungeon with you from there. Could give Wolf some time. To the dungeon. Welcome to the dungeon. What do you mean the dungeon? How does one... Which dungeon do you speak of? Oh, you're talking about like the catacombs? Yeah, we could do that. I was already down there, man. I was already down, but I was around town. I was here, ended up here, kill Radon, and then I ended up over here, and I'm like, I don't know how to get back over there. I should have just come here. Can't believe I have this Grace. Oh, so I have this Grace. So I can port here now. Yeah, duh. As in summon me at that Grace. No, I meant from this Grace. Oh, I see. Yeah. No, that's cool, man. Let me get the right Grace. I'm looking in the right direction. I think I might even be able to see that freaking rot dragon fool. I should have preserving Bulbasaurus, guys. Let's replace our Mimi with them because I just haven't felt like Mimi's been doing really that much for me lately. I have a 10-pack, guys. I have 99 Bulbasaurs. Isn't that cool? I should make more for expansion. Is there going to be a lot of rot in the expansion? So, like in it... Night cab right there, bro. We just killed your sister. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is there loot? Have I got this loot before, guys? Crab eggs. Maybe lots of sleep and Deathblight in DLC. Deathblight sucks. Whoa. Oh, there he is. Okay, I see him. Now I know where I am, guys. Now I know I'm sneaking around. Trying to get to the Grace. It's I refer to it as the Rot Dragon Grace, guys. Because that Rot Dragon, he squirts that stuff, man. You got to have Bulbasaurus ready. Here we go. I'll just run back to the Grace and reset if the poop hits the fan. Maybe lots of sleep and Deathblight for DLC. I saw some guy in a video say, yeah, the entrance to the new world is going to be at Moog. We learned that from the video. And I'm like, really? Did you guys learn that from the video? People know so much more than I do. Do we own a dirty finger? This is the Grace I'll be summoning at. Wolf, are you anywhere close, my brother? If not, I can knock this out with Drew. Because I came for a Rot Dragon. I kind of got to put the finger down and who's ready is ready, I think. Yeah, I said something about touching Michaela's hand. It did, to get the Lands of Shadow or something. I'm going to put it down. I hope Wolf is coming. Warping there now. Yay! We got Wolf, folks. You love to see it. Okay. All right. Wow. Yeah, you know, all those big weapons and shields aren't going to help you with the Rot Poopy. Password is Donuts. D-O-N-U-T-S. Wolfo. Wolf. Wolf of. We'll probably do the La Quinta or Holiday Inn, huh? They're about 100 a night. Dude, if you can get... You do... You know what? If you go to the event list, there is the official city thing, like, you know, visiting Marble Falls, and there's lists of hotels, all different levels of hotels. This hotel is right by the water. It's next door to a Chili's, and it's walking distance from every event. If that doesn't matter to you, and you want to, you don't mind the hotel, and so you'll drive 5 minutes to every event instead of walking 5 minutes. You know, it's no big deal. You know what I mean? Yeah. You do you, man. You be smart. Be smart, brother. Oh, we got another dirty finger down, folks. Magic Wolf is coming in. All right, guys, I want a good, clean fight. I want as much cheese as possible. That's awesome, though, if they're $100 a night. That's way cheaper, man. I just said screw it, man, because I don't get out much. I don't get out much, guys. Well, I mean, I went to Vegas in January, but that was 3 months ago. That was 3 months. Did you guys see the hotel room I got in Vegas? Oh, my God. If you didn't see it, search for Vegas Hotel Reveal on Facebook. I'm with Charlie Sardo Gaming. Craziest hotel room I ever stayed in, guys. Craziest hotel room I ever stayed in. Okay, let's come over here and buff up. Because this is like, you know, a good spot to kind of throw the, whoa. Oh, we both go Avowed. Cool. Give you strength. Okay. 2. Blasky. Terra Magica. 2. Okay. Still up. I'm dead. horse. Oh my god, I literally was looking for my horse. It's good. I think I got it down though. I did. Got it down again. Yep, the Scarlet Rot. The Scarlet Rot sneaks up on me, guys. It's like I need like an add-on that goes whoop 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 whoop. I just checked it out. That is badass dang Charlie out here living his best life. You checked out that video? Can you believe that hotel room, dude? That hotel room had 2 huge bathrooms that were like, one of them was about normal size of a normal bathroom, a normal hotel room for me. It was big. It was big. Guys, I had the Bulbasaur's up and everything. Sorry about that. Yeah. You remember maybe it was with Trey last time I killed one of these. I really screwed up last time, and I didn't kill it until I stopped dying from the rot. And that time I started spamming my horse because I'm like, I gotta get away. Between the velvet lines. You guys know that song? Holy Diver? Anyone? Ronnie James Dio? Okay, I got the summon out for these guys. Now I'm just waiting for them to show up, folks. Yeah, so this hotel room, I got the lakeside. I get the lakeside, which I think it's usually $240, and I got it for $210 or something. But I'll have a lake view, you know. Holy Diver, dude, it's great, man. Freaking Dio. I saw Dio, man. I saw Dio open for Maiden, like very late, like not like I mean, it's still probably 25 years ago or 20 years ago. But I saw Dio open for Maiden, man. Okay. Charlie stays alive. We should be fine. I'm watching. Okay, watching. I should drink. Poopies coming. Incoming poopies. On the head. Lots of wing. Not doing much damn. I'm watching. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Okay. Okay. Yep. Drew didn't make it. We got this, Wolf. Sorry, Drew. I might leave a man behind. He's almost dead. Oh, no! No! If you kill him, I don't mind. The range right here, I think, is killing us. There's no way! There's no way! And he kills him. Drew, we needed you up, brother. We needed you up. That was freak. Oh, I got the dragon heart, but no runes. I got the dragon heart, but no runes? Will the runes be in the pile of runes over here? The runes I didn't get. I don't get the runes. I don't get the runes. I got the dragon heart, guys. I don't think I got the runes. I don't think I got the runes. I don't care. Drew, the runes mean nothing, guys. I have 100,000 runes on me. It's nothing. Yeah, I don't know, man. Because I thought I had... How much... I mean, he drops... What kind of runes is that fool dropping, guys? What kind of fool... Rune? I need a head count, man. I mean, I can only say it... I posted the event. And so I can just go by what I think, and then I can only just go by what I think based on who said they're coming. And then also order too much food. And then if I don't have enough food, what can I do? Because I can't, like, if I'm expecting 15 people, I just can't buy food for 50 people. And what am I going to do with it when I'm done? I would, you know what I'm saying? Isn't there a guy that walks around here? Is he? There he is. There you go, man. I didn't even need the last one there, Drew. It works perfectly. I just wanted to do this to check out the. I think I've been here to buy everything, guys. I think I did this on another playthrough. Like, just to buy every damn thing in the game to be sure I have everything. Held. Yeah, I have it. I have everything here. Yeah, Wolf, that was very good. Thank you for putting him away, man. You guys want to, like, run a catacomb or something? Because there's gloveworts, guys. I mean, you guys aren't going to get any gloveworts. I'll get gloveworts. No idea about how much he drops at NG plus 10. Do you remember how, did you say how much he drops on a regular run though? Yeah, it says something about touching Michaela's hand. Okay, good. To get to Lands of Shadow. Right. That's going to be crazy. I already grabbed this one. There should be... Wait. How come I'm not being attacked by massive amounts of birds and dogs? I passed it. Usually I'm running from a dog or a bird or something. Oh, God. Don't be calling your sisters now. Where is it? I thought it was right here. I thought it was right there. It's down on the next... That bird just fell off the world, guys. How am I lost? How am I lost? Ooh, isn't there like a beetle up here or something? I thought you run right down to like the next ledge. Oh, God. Okay, right. Dude, that's what they call out of the frying pan into the fire, folks. Okay, let me get back to the road and... I don't understand. It's the next ledge down. It's got to be the next ledge down. 23,731 for base game drop. Is it down? I didn't think it was this close to Radon. Is it over here? I guess it is. It's been a minute, folks. Getting on my Death Knight too. Guys, nice, man. Nice. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring After Dark. Thank you for being here. If you like what you see, please consider throwing me a subscription, guys. A sub. It's free. It's friendly. Yeah, I really screwed that up. Dang. Grace. Give me the grace. Give me the grace. Reaching for grace. Can he still hit me? The birds, man. I remember someone saying, when you get to Caelid, the birds are horrible. And I'm like, Then there were like buzzard kind of birds, and I'm like, they're not. I mean, they suck. We all hate birds, right? They're not that bad. They were talking about these freaking birds. Okay, let me get out there. I'm sure I got some of you outside, right? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, guys, I gotta grab a water. I'm gonna give you guys trooper cam for about 30 seconds. Where is it? There it is. And you absolutely love to see it, folks. Charlie Sardo Gaming Trooper Chair is on point tonight. Let me get the dirty finger down. Whoever's here will start the show, folks. Heck yeah, point me where to go. Getting my dead knight. Great, great. I'm too far. Drew said not inside. Should I summon from inside? I mean, you'll put your finger down inside? I see you. I see you. I don't see Wolf. Don't install the Wolf. Did he move forward? Nope, Wolf's not down there, folks. Looking, looking, looking. Trying to find Wolf. Well, we're locked, so I can't come out. I see you out there, Wolf. You got to take it down. Wolf, you got to take it down and you got to bring it in. Did you move it outside, Drew? Because I'm on a fog wall right now. I'm not sure what's happening here. Should I remove the dirty finger and sever all contacts with all multiplayer associations? Because you're not in here. There we go. There's one. I got Lenore. Whom the angels name Lenore. Oh, and here comes Drew. Love it, Drew. Drew just took a long time to summon that. Can't go in the catacomb from outside. I just summoned Wolf. It's taking a minute, but I clicked on you, Wolf. Okay. I bumped my head. Oh. I clicked on him. Is it failing? Quote the Raven, nevermore. So my buddy and I, we were both memorizing the Raven. I started memorizing it, and my buddy's like, I'm going to memorize it too. Neither of us got done with it. But this girl that was his girlfriend that later became my girlfriend. That never happens when you're teenagers. She freaking beat us both. She beat us both. She beat us both. She memorized the entire Raven before we did. But wait, it gets better. My buddy Kurt, he's not alive anymore. God bless him. He says, that's it, damn it. I'm going to memorize the Black Cat. It's a freaking short story, guys. He's going to measure a short story. He's going to memorize a short story. Oh, okay. So he literally, he's like, though truly nervous I once was and still am, is like, he starts memorizing the freaking Black Cat, guys. Whoa, Bulbasaurus. Guys, I'm only here for the glove warts, so I expect a quick clear. A quick clear. I want lots of fire. I want lots of dead. When I see mobs, I want to be looting runes. I don't want to be thinking about stuff. I don't want to be worrying about stuff. Wish I had some fire for this. I'm gonna die. Oh man, I get the rod on me now. Okay, I'm trying to stay alive. Okay. Thought we lost somebody. Yeah, that's good though. Thank you guys for doing that, because you guys... Wait, there's glove warts over here, guys. I need the glove warts. I need all warts, guys. Glove and non-glove. Oh my god, no, no, no. Whoa. Dude, are there like bonus glove warts in here or something? Okay, I got a Bulbasaur, guys. I'm gonna run out of Bulbasaurs, man. I only have 100. You guys are doing pretty good, but I almost got you backed up, so I expect a little bit more from you guys. Oh my god. What's with the rot, man? Is this one? Hey! I hit that. Guys, every dungeon that there's a column like this in the middle of a room, when I come around, I hit that wall. Did we get invaded? What is it? I got rot on me, guys. I want out of the rot. Sorry, guys. I let him kill me. I screwed up. I should have ran the other way. You guys had him. You guys had him. I had the poo on me. I had the poo on me. I had the poo on me. If I would even... I didn't even know... And, you know, I couldn't target that fool. I couldn't target that fool. I couldn't target him. I did finally target him. Then he's like, sees me. I almost said how far away he was. All right. At the grace. At the grace, guys. At the grace. And I'm gonna put the dirty, stinky, dirty tongue down, too. Switch. Of course, after I summon you guys. I rested freaking grace. It's my fault for... God! Gotta dance. Well, one thing we know. I'm very well rested. No, you guys were clearing great. That was crazy. Thank you guys so much for that. Okay, and now I see Wolf. Okay, now I'm going to put the dirty tongue down, guys. We got invaded, but now we're going to get invaded. You know what I'm saying? Here comes the naughty tongue, folks. Lure invaders, you know it. Yeah, I'm bringing Grail's Roar, says Wolf. Nice. I mean, we're probably not going to get the same guy again, right? It is, you know, you hate cheaters, and you never want to have to play against a cheater, and it sucks when you get against a cheater, and it sucks when he kills you, but you know what? I hope I get invaded by a cheater. I think it's freaking hilarious. Sorry. Gotta dance. Just a little. Freaking Rancor's annoying. I think I should be using swords. Is there like a monkey right here or something? We don't need the flower. We don't need anything. We can run. We can run right past this fool, guys. Boss room is already open. One thing about this now, I feel so much better. I don't have a freaking ton of freaking bloody rot all over me. You know what I mean? So annoying. My rooms. Okay. I'll vow. 2. And then, hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm doing a melee scenario here, folks. Oh, I put the poo. I put the poo, guys. I put the poo. More poo. Yeah. All right, guys, that was close, man. Is everyone okay? Did everyone make it? Hey! Thank you, guys. That was fun. And I got the gloveworts. Was that the whole dungeon? Oh, you guys are gonna have to go anyway. Was that the whole dungeon, guys? Did I miss any gloveworts? Now watch me get invaded as soon as everyone leaves. I feel like. Oh yeah. Because we're in Caelid. I mean, that's the whole dungeon. The crazy thing about this dungeon is one or two secret walls down there, and the other secret wall with the lever on it. But besides that, there's nothing else here, guys. That's the dungeon. That's the dungeon. That's the whole freaking dungeon, man. Well, that ain't no freaking fun. I wish I could remember how to get to that one. Oh, I don't know what bell bearings I have, or I don't. GFR. Guys, I don't know if I want to use this character for DLC or not. What do you guys think? Is it cheesy? I mean, it's supposed to scale. He's level 451. The thing is, he's got the most bell bearings, I think. Like, I can buy sombers up to 9. I can buy smithing stones up to 8. Right? I can buy ghost glovewort up to 6. Is there a 789 ghost glovewort bell bearing? Where is that? And I can get grave. Yeah, so the ghost glovewort ball bearing I need, guys. Gold dungeon or whatever could be fun. I want to do ghost glovewort 7 through 9 dungeon. Ghost glovewort. Do you guys know where that is? Glovewort 7, 8, 9 bell bearing. From the Haligtree roots. Wow. How come? I don't think I have that open on this character yet. From the Haligtree, I'm gonna have to do it. I just want to see where it is. From the Haligtree root side of Grace, go back up the northeastern elevator into the church and head out through the door in front of you. From there, turn left and make your way down, fighting your way through the many lesser kindred of rot in the area. The bell bearing will be at the end in the area surrounded by graves on a cliffside. Alternatively, you can enter the same church from the drainage canal site of Grace. Exit to the east. Turn left, walking on the tree branch, drop down to the right onto the brace, then left to another branch, and then drop down to the balcony below. From there, drop down into the church and exit northeast to the graveyard where the bell bearing is. I think I know where it is. It's outside of the elevator that goes down to Millennia. It's outside of the building. Is that the church that has the snitches get stitches and the Great Shield talisman? Am I right? It's outside that building around the side where there's all that freaking loot. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I know. I remember. But don't have it on this character. And I have yet to kill Morgott. Or, Morgott. I haven't even killed Morgott yet, guys. And got into the mountaintop of the giants. But we have a lot of time between now and... So, is there anything else? I'm really, really proud of myself for checking that, though, guys. Because I'm like, I need to start preparing for the DLC. And, you know, I think I've got all the sacred tears and all the golden seeds on this character. They're probably not going to do anything. And in these glove warts, I'm doing pretty good on. But what I don't have is that one bell bearing on this character. Dude, Morgott could be fun, but you know what? I kind of want to melee. Hey, do you want to... Man, I wanted to wait. I want to do that with Trey, though, man. Where's Trey? Trey, WTF, bruh. Where's my Trey? I want my Trey back. Jeff said, man, I hate Thursdays. My left ankle was burning all evening, and not to mention the other two wounds on my leg, too. Oh, Jeff, dude, I'm so sorry, brother. Jeff's been going through some serious health problems with his situations, with his little feats. But there is good news on the table, right? Right, Jeff? I mean, he's been in pain for a long time, guys. But the doctor said it's healing and you only had like a couple more treatments or something. Am I right, Jeff? I'm trying to give you some good news. I'm trying to keep you focused on the prize, brother. I feel so bad that you're going through this. Are we going after Morgott, Charlie? No, but you know why? Because I kind of want to kill Morgott myself, man. I kind of want to kill Morgott myself. Here, you know what? Let me log out of this character and pull up another one that could do something really fun like that. I don't have... Oh, they're saying you're going to have Moog done. You guys want to do Moog? How do I... But I'm going to have to open up Moog. And that's going to take a minute. But if your character is going to want to progress, you're going to have killed Moog, guys, right? Because if it happens at Moog, you got to touch Michaela's little hand or whatever. This guy, Tom and Perry's in Deeper Depths. He probably has something. My left ankle is healing, but slower than a normal person's. It may take 2 or 3 more months to completely heal, Jeff. Right, dude. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm not for anything, bud. No rush, right? Drew says, yeah, I probably only have time for a dungeon and a boss. Cool. Okay. Well, Fia's poopies are done. And did I already get my loot? Yeah, I got her. I took her clothes, guys. No reason. Okay. Let's see what we got in here, guys. I don't even know how to get... How do you get over here, guys? How do you even get over there? Is that like a portal? Is that the portal by Ranny's tower? And we could do a stell. We could run through and do... Is that a stell? That's across the Rot Lake, though. I don't know if you guys are down for that. That's pretty freaking nasty, bro. Do I have... Oh, this is a burnt capital. This is a burnt capital. Isn't it a portal, guys? You can get to Ansel at the bottom of Deeproot. Bottom meaning at the bottom. I feel like, isn't there a way at the bottom of capital? See, this guy burned his capital already. He's freaking crazy. So this guy already killed a fire giant, man. He did. Ooh, how about dude? I don't have. How about Castle SOL? You guys want to do Niall? Niall, guys. Can you guys? Are you guys available for that? I need Niall, man. I need Niall for my Halleck tree. There's a coffin near the second side of Grace, where the fire-breathing gargoyles are. Go up to the Prince of Death's staff. Niall is fine. Wolf's down with Niall. Cool. Can I get a Niall from Drew? You got something, surely, that can kill Niall, don't you? Am I even going to Neal? I know I don't cross there. I think I crossed the bridge, right? Leave me alone, buddy. I'm trying to get to the castle poop out of luck. This is called Castle Poop Out of Luck, folks. We're going to do Commander Neal. This will be fun, man. This is always a fun fight. I freaking love this fight. And I love doing this with the team, too. This is cool. And these... I'm going to make a little video about these things, man. Not to say everyone and their mother hasn't already made videos about this. Oh, no. I keep going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way, guys. Yep. There's no way. They hit through everything, guys. Get me out of here. There's a freaking death. That's the Deathrite bird. Okay, now I know. Now I know where I am. Now I know where I am. Now I know exactly where I am. Because of the Deathrite bird. I saw that Deathrite bird. I'm like, I know exactly where I am now. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. I went right to yeah, yeah. You want to talk about a frame of reference, folks? One of my favorite dungeons. SOL's perfect. Giant skeletons. You guys want to kill it? We don't need to do Deathrite bird. I already killed that Deathrite bird on this freaking character. I would... Oh, no, actually not on this character I didn't. Okay, here, wait. Little resty. I'm going to put the dirty finger down. Whoa. Dirty finger is down, folks. You absolutely love to see it. Both these guys, they're like professionals, guys. They're here before me. I mean... Shield cash. What is that? Shield crash. Shield crash. Shield cash. There we go. Even though this place is a rather dangerous place, I still think it's... What happened? Here they come. There we are. Oh, wait. Where's my... Wait. Guys, I might have to... No, I have one. Lure invaders. All right, let's do this. Feeling frisky, folks. I will jump attack you and do mass big damage. I'll do big damn and bonk at the same time. It's dude, these things are very much like a big bonk build, but you have a little more range on them. Yeah, you better run. Oh my god, he put the poop on me. Okay, he didn't put much on me. The sister's getting involved, folks. The sister's getting involved. I took care of it, guys. Somber 7, I'm cool with it. Dude, we gotta take this thing out quick before the freaking, Okay. It's a big responsibility. Double jump. That was bad. Put him out. Cool. Oh, that's the invader. He wants me. Is the lion dead? Black Mamba? Why does he still have a bubble on? I don't get it. Did he kill somebody? You want to attack at the same time? Oh my god, there's two? I'm dead. Guy, yeah. Okay, that hurt. What happened? Dude, they freaking melted me. No chance. What was that? Using the tongue brings in 2 invaders. Now, I don't know that. I've been using that tongue a long time. I mean, not a long time. I've used it a lot. We don't always get 2 invaders. As a matter of fact, we almost always get 1 invader. Yeah, Wolf's going PvP. Love it, man. Love it. I, on the other hand, am not a PvP-enabled scenario. I think I probably already did that, right? It was just you and I don't know, man. Trey, no, man. I don't think it's true. Like my last invader, when we were killing Deathrite birds the other day, it was 1 invader. Sometimes it's 2. Sometimes it's 2 and like 1 leaves, 1 suicides, one, you know. But I don't know that it's always 2. I mean, if that's the case, then maybe it always brings 2, but 1 guy sometimes crashes a lot. Sometimes 1 guy sees there's 3 of us and jumps off a cliff. No, I think there can be multiple recusants. There can be, but I had 1 helper. I had Trey. It was, oh no, maybe Drew. No, maybe Drew. Drew was there because Drew's the one that said I was afraid that was gonna happen. Remember? Yeah. Yep. So I did have 2. That is so weird. That I didn't. How did I even summon you guys? Yeah. Oh, I see. Recusants and bloody fingers. And what's the difference in that? How do you know the difference in that? I'm still going to stick out the bloody tongue because I think it's funny. I think it's freaking funny. Whoever trying to kill these freaking lions. And, oh, I have my own personal golden vow, folks. I have my own personal weak golden vow. If anyone else has a better golden vow, just speak up and you can vow me. Otherwise, I'm going to use my cheapin'. This is a difference as a name. The title comes. Oh, so it's just a title. Got you. Got you. The dog stayed dead, guys, if you didn't know that. I actually did not know that. I'm like, oh, we gotta fight the dogs again. Now, one thing, guys, I look like I'm falling behind, like grabbing loot. But actually, I don't want to fight the birds. So I'm just being like a bad host with my friends. And they're like, they're clearing for me, guys. Wait. Goyle Artan is waiting for me. It's okay, guys. I took care of it. Free loot here. Multiple dogs. Yeah. Hair. I took care of it. Recusants can teleport, though. They can teleport? Like, as a fighting ability? Watch out for that freaking archer, guys. He'll do naughty work. I'm going to take the archer out. I got him, guys. I took care of it. Oh! Dude! Dude, he backstabbed that fool. You think you're strong? You think you're strong with your shield? I can touch this, right? Sounds like me on a date. Recusants can teleport. Okay, here we go. Okay, we go this way, right? Wait. I have to take my free loot. Go. Waiting for. I never know. Do we get invaded? Magic's looking at something. Guys, I never know when we get invaded because I'm like streaming, I'm looking at chat, I'm distracted, I'm not smart, I'm a bad Souls player. And I never know when we get invaded. Where's all the mobs? Okay, the plan for Commander Niall is simple. Total freaking chaos. Oh my god, he wants me. He wants me. Black Mambo, guys, I'm gonna stand up here, make him come to me. If he wants his loot, he's gotta come get me. Oh, I want to go get him now. He's gonna kite. He's gonna kite. I want to go around so bad. Dude, the frost is horrible. Wolf, get out of the frost! Or is that your frost? Is that our frost? Poor guy. I mean, he is 3-on-1. It's 3-on-1. He might be a really good PvP player. Sorry, guys. I should have never shot his body, guys. I ain't trying to be disrespectful. Got kicked from the TV. Looks like the Steam Deck is getting turned on because I still wanted to play more Elden Ring. Caleb, cool, man. Your kisses can teleport. I didn't know that. Okay, so yeah, as I was talking earlier about, basically what I'm looking for here in this kill is a whole bunch of just chaotic, archaic, fun. Yeah. So whatever you guys want to do, I say do it. I'm gonna kill the ad on the right first, folks. Two. There we go, and drink a pot. I already drank it. Let's go. Going in. I gotta engage, right? Ooh, I put the poop on him. Oh, he's done. He's done. Next. Come on. There we go. Done. Okay. Commander Niall is he's a funny soul, folks. Because of this. Because of the whirlies. Yeah, like that. Like that. If Niall knew I was the host, he would probably be spinning around right now. How do you dodge that? Read inputter. Good. Good. Big damn. Big damn. You guys might have saved me from there, but I might be in trouble. Topping off for the team. He knows I'm the host, guys. He knows I'm the host! Nope. Wow. He landed on you, but hit me too. Honk. Yeah, I dodged one. Oh. Killing blow? Not quite. Well, I took care of it. Actually, it was Wolf that took care of it. Wolf with the killing blow, man. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hey! Hey! Thank you guys. That was freaking fun. You absolutely enjoy the After Dark community coming together to help me kill Niall. That was freaking fun, man. I gotta go get my Haligtree medallion, guys. Gotta grab it. You nuked with Night Comet too. Ooh, I almost missed the train, folks. Did anyone ever miss a plane in their life? Like, book the plane, not get to the plane before the plane took off. Anyone? Anyone? Okay. I never, like, missed a plane per se, like, because I was late. I never missed a plane. I'm not talking about their fault. I'm talking about your fault. Flat tire, slept in, too late, Never missed a flight, train, or bus, or taxi. Yeah, me neither. I'll tell you this, though. I did leave my cousins in Sicily. Got on a freaking about 3 hour ride to Palermo. I hope that doesn't give you an indication of where my family lives. No reason. And I get to Palermo, and they're like, "Oh, no fly Rome today. No fly Rome today. Plane crash in Rome. No fly. I'm like, there's a freaking crash in Rome. I'm in Palermo. I gotta fly to Rome to fly my butt back home. So I had to spend the freaking night in Palermo. What do you freaking do? Do you guys know what to do? I know what to do. You don't stay in Palermo, guys. Palermo is actually so cool. Palermo is like almost like Alvera Street. It's like, it's legit. I'm not talking about like cheesy. I'm talking about like culture. But Palermo, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Might not want to stay in Palermo. Guys, there are places nearby you could stay. I've stayed in Palermo. There was a freaking plane crash. So I had to spend a night, then I get to freaking Rome, and then I get home. It was quite the hassle, folks. Quite the hassle, but you know what? And I'll tell you the craziest thing about it, guys. You guys know what scabies is? Scabies? I don't know for sure, but I think I might have had scabies, guys. They're like little bugs. They're little bites. But the bug bites you and like makes a little sore because it like stays under the skin. And you can just put cream on them, it goes away. So I had a few red dots on my body, man. And I'm like, I gotta get home. It's time to go home. So I put my freaking... Guys, I was a kid, guys. I was freaking 20. I was 20. I put my suit on. Rolled my sleeves down like this. This is way before, the C word too, right? Roll my sleeves down like this. Put my tie on. Because I had a few red dots on my neck. It's not contagious, by the way. But I didn't know that. And I freaking flew home. I had to get home, guys. Like, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It was a little bit scary, man. But I made it home. I literally, yeah. Okay, so now that that's done, do I have both pieces to the Halig Tree Medallion? If I do, we can actually sing a song. Well, if I can get there. Equipmentorio. No. Inventorio. Keys. How do you not... Guys. The hardest part for me in this area is actually finding it, but I think I know how to get there. I think it's almost exactly west from here. Right, guys? Falling in a lake. The other half of the Halig Tree Medallion is in the Albionic scenario. So let's see. East. Yeah. Wait, there's a big rock right here. It's not helping me. No, west. Yeah, it's west, guys. It's west. We're good. We're going. We are going to get my Halig Tree Medallion. We very well may sing the Halig Tree song tonight. Or, we could just, if you guys are cool with it, we'll just use it as setup. Whoa. As setup. Sing it later. Right? But I think it's... Because that's the Everjail. And this is this is where I just made you say underwear. So we should... Whoa. Crystal poopy girls. I'm up on top. I'm supposed to be underneath, guys. Where's the poopy water? Isn't it right here? Poopy water's over here. Nope. Ah, poopy water. Told you. I told you. Got it now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Looking. Whoa. Where is it? Okay, you gotta look for the bridge. You look for the bridge. So what's next? Well, what I'm trying to do is get my Haligtree medallion. And it's hard for me to remember which side I'm on. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're getting crabbed. We just got fully crab whacked, folks. Do you know where, well, I mean, by the time you answer me, I'll be already gone. I think I see it. Isn't there like a flag or something? Is it over here, guys? Yeah. I gotta go with the Haligtree medallion. I mean, am I too low level for Haligtree? If, well, this character, what haven't I done? I killed a fire giant. And guys, I'm literally making the video right now. I'm making the video of soloing Malekith with these freaking swords, man. Yeah, guys. I soloed Malekith with these swords. No summons, guys. That's what I mean by solo. Yeah. I think you understand that. You guys are like that. Yeah, Charlie, you said that. This guy, like, always scares me because the first playthrough or two, I had a hard time, guys. You got poopy? Nope, not for me. Got it. Guys, I got Michaela's Lily. He's going to be pissed. Oh, Drew's got to run. Now I got to head out, guys. Oh, man. Catch you tomorrow. Drew, thank you, dude. Thanks for the help. Guys, why can't I talk to it? There's no prerequisite, right? Oh, you got to hit it first.
Please, no. Dear me.
Well, as long as you stay untargetable,
No secrets lie with me.
just cough it over there, buddy. Cough it up.
Leave me be.
I don't have a lot of time for this. There we go. Alburonics. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. Thank you.
Chosen land away.
Got it. Now, guys, have I even been to the Grand Lift of Rold, though, is the thing. There's so many things I haven't done in this game. Where's it? I don't have the grace, man. Hidden path to a Haligtree. You can ride. Oh, no, I do have this. Okay, so we can do it. We can actually do it if we want to, guys. You know what? Last time we did this, I said, you're here, we're going to do it. Guys, forgive me, but I think I'm not going to... What we do is, when we get to the Haligtree... Well, we can actually move forward here. Switch secret medallion. When we get to the port where we go to the canopy, all the routes, we sing a song that I wrote called We're Gonna Kill the Haligtree. It's called actually The Haligtree. And there's a long story about it, and I will tell that story when we get there, but I'm going to move forward and then probably not finish that on this stream. Probably move to another character and keep on doing stuff. I need that bell bearing on my last character because he might be my... Am I going to be that guy who's level 451? Not that it's that big. There's going to be that guy that's max level. There's going to be that guy that's level 1. So I guess it doesn't matter. I can be whatever level I want to be, right? For expansion. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, guys, we're going to pick up our 25th Silver Scarab incoming, folks. Just get ready. Get ready. Good to see that steak there. It's nice to see you here, Steak and Marika. Because, yeah, sometimes these little guys, they hit pretty hard. They can hit hard, folks. And they definitely boogie till they just can't boogie no more. Boogie no more. You can't boogie no more. Boogie. See, look at that. Look at that. Put blood on me and stuff. Look. Ah! Wow. Dude. I got lucky with that. I was aiming. I meant to see the window and jump, and that didn't happen. All right, guys. Another silver scarab for our inventorio. Great. This might be a straight path, but I always feel like it cuts off to the left here. I don't know why. Just from the blood things and stuff. Hey, this guy here is going to get jumped on. Got to jump early. Because he comes at you, bro. Bloodworts. Got to have him. Good. That's his sister, guys. Guys. You know. You guys already know. You know better than me. It's dumb. It's dumb. I'm not trying to be dumb, guys. Okay. Here we go. Lots of runes. Guys, there's nothing in here for us. We just want to get to the... Ooh. Oh, I bet I have a bow. I bet I have a Dawn's bow. Do I have a Dawn's bow? Wolf, take care, man. Good to see you. Because I tried to sleep the archers. The one nastiest archer in liturgical Ordania liturgical. You're 3. Got him. All right. Leave. Here we go. This, I think I know the run. I'm not. Oh, this is, guys, this one, man. This one is just like, you know, if you run straight, you're going to fall off a freaking cliff, right? It's nice that they give you this map, but the problem is, once you get in the game, you can't look back at it, you know? I have this thing where I head east. I head east all along this region right here. Like to here, into here, into here, and then I go this way. And it just... Not a lot of drops. Not a lot of guesswork. Not a lot of learning. I know the Grace is like over here somewhere or something. Is what the Grace is right here? I don't know. I know this is a great freaking thing to do some 3-man PvP too with. So we're going to probably save that, guys. Guys, I want to thank you guys for being here. If you guys like what you see, please consider giving me a sub, a like, a share. If you like what you see, throw a comment. I have a brand new reel that dropped today, a short here on YouTube. I have a whole bunch of content here, man. A whole bunch of shorts, a lot of Elden Ring shorts, and some videos, and a whole bunch of lives. The lives, they're long, but Elden Ring, my first no-hit Fire Giant and my first no-hit Malekith, those start really good. Like in the first half an hour, you're going to be digging it. Okay? I try and do that on my lives. I try and get right to action. Well, my first no-hit Malekith and my first no-hit Fire Giant. Might want to check those lives out, okay? Yeah, man. Caelid, Boyd, thanks for being here, man. Thank you guys for all the help. Thank you for all the love, all the likes, all the subs. And I will see you guys tomorrow, man. See you guys tomorrow night for more Elden Ring, man. We're going to get a bunch more done tonight. I want to get that freaking ball bearing for this freaking character so he has it, man. Thank you guys. Good night.